Hi, hello everyone. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana, Navodaya and Sainik Coaching Center from Peddapelli. Now I am going to explain PYQ Test 8. Topic is 4 decimals. First question. The difference between 3.003 and 2.050 is added to the sum of those numbers. Then the result is, after finding the answer, we have to choose the best answer. What are the decimals here given? 3.003 and another number 2.050. First, what we have to do? Difference means subtraction. 3 minus 0, 3. 0 minus 5 not possible, that's why borrow from 3. 9, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 2, 0. Next, addition. Added means addition. 3.003. 2.050. 3 plus 0, 3. 0 plus 5, 5. 0. 3 plus 2, 5. Here we have these two results. This is 1. This is 2. Now we have to sum these two results. What is the results here? 0.953, 2.050. Sum means addition. 3, 10, 1 carry, 10. So here we have to write 3, 6. 10, 1 carry, 10, 1 carry, 3. So 3.006. So D is the correct option, children. D is the correct option. Next question. The whole number we obtained when we multiply 20.2 with 18.01 without decimal is, means we have to rounding up to whole number. Integral part 20.2 into 18.01 multiplication. Here 4 places, here 3 places. So that's why we have to take first 18.01 into 20.2 is the best. 2 1 the 2, 2 0 the 0, 2 4 8 the 16, 2 1 the 2 3. First we have to multiply this without ignoring. We have to ignoring this decimal point. 0, these are all zeros only. Next 2, same this number will come. 2 0 6 3. 2 0 8 3 6 3. How many decimal places? Here 1, here 2. 2 plus 1. So 3 decimal places. 1 2 3. 3 decimal places. 363. So 363 is not there. So we have to rounding up ones, ones are units. Whole number means rounding up to ones. Then we have to consider immediately right place. If it is 5 or more than 5, it is more than 5. Add 1 to this required place. So what is the answer? 364 is the correct answer. 364 means which is correct option? C is the correct option. Next question. What should be added in 32.67 to get 60.5? So then to get what should be added, we have to subtract 32.67 from 60.5. 32.67. While subtracting, we make the decimals like decimals. We have to make like decimals while subtracting. So now like decimals, 0 minus 7 not possible. That's why borrow 1 from 5. Here 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 14 minus here 9 only, here 9, here 5. 14 minus 6, 8. Here 9 minus 2, 7. 5 minus 3, 2. 27.83. So what is the correct option? A is the correct option. Next question 4. What is the sum of 13.3, 1.33, 1.0033 and 1.0333? So sum means addition. Addition of 13.3, 1.33, 1.0033, 1.0333. Sum means addition. While adding, we no need of making these like decimals. We may add simply 3 plus 3, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 1. So what is the answer? 16.2, 6666. What is the correct option? D is the correct option. Next, fifth one. What is the sum of 11.1 plus 11.11 plus 11.111 plus 11.1111? Addition only is also 11.1, 11.11, 11.111, 11.1111. While adding, we no need of making like decimals, so that's why simply we can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 44.4321. 44.4321. C is the correct option. What is the result of 163.44 divided by 2.4? Division sum. Here is a division sum. 163. 163.44 by 2.4. we have to make the denominator as whole number. So needed one decimal shift to right one place. Here also same one place. Then new dividend, new numerator 1634.4, new divisor 24. Both are even numbers, so that's why cancel with 2, 2 8s, 2 1s, 2 7s, 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 2s. Again even numbers. Divide, we may divide with 2, 2 4s, 2 zeros, 1 carry, 2 8s 16, 1 carry, 2 6s 12, 2 6s 12. Again even number, 2 2s, 2 0, 2 4s, 2 3s, 2 3s. Again and now 3, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 3 9, digital root 9. So it is also divisible by 3. 3 6 18, 1 2 remainder 24 here, 2 8s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So what is the answer? 681, 681. So what is the correct option? A is the correct option. Sorry, here decimal point, we missed decimal point, that's why we get to B is the correct option. Here, 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 68.1 is the correct option, correct answer. So B is the correct option. Next, seventh one. What is the total of 23.3, 2.33, 0.233 and 0.0203? Total means sum. We have to make addition. 23.2, 3, 2.233, 0.233 and 0.0203. Total means sum. 3, 3, 8, 8, decimal point 5, 2, 25.8833, 25.8833. Option A is the correct. Next, question number 8. What will be the sum of the numbers 2.363, 7.965, 0.0363 and 0.0079? Sum means addition. 2.363, 7.965, 0.0363, 0.0079. 9 3 12, 1 carry, 4 9 15 22, 2 carry, 2 6 8 14 17, 1 carry, 4 13, 1 carry, 3 10. So what is the answer? 10.3722. 10.3722. C is the correct option. Next question. What will come when 6.25 is divided by 0.25? 6.25, 25 by 0.25. We have to make the denominator as whole number, 2 decimal places. Here also 2 decimal places. Then it will become 623 not 625. So 625 by 25. 5 tables simply. 5 1 the 1 remainder, 5 2 the 10, 2 remainder, 5 5 the 25, 5 5 the 25. Again 5 table, 5 2 the 10, 2 remainder, 5 5 the 25, 5 1 the 5. So what is the answer? 25 is the answer. What is the correct option? D is the correct option. Question number 10. The product of two decimal numbers is 14.837. If one of them is 4.01, which is the other decimal number? The product of two decimals. Product of two decimals is 14.837. One of them is 4.01. Which is the other decimal number? Which is the other decimal number? In this, by checking these decimal places in the product, we can find the answer. So how many decimal places here? 3 decimal places. How many here? 2 decimal places. Here 3, here 2. How many decimal places needed in the required number? Only 1 decimal place. So in this no decimal place, in this 1 decimal place, in this 2, in this 3. So needed 1 decimal place. So 3.7 is the suitable required number. 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place. So 2 plus 1, it is satisfying. So what is the correct option? B is the correct option. Next question 11. What is the place value of 5 in the number 214.56? 214.26. Place value of 5. 5 is in which place? 10th place. 10th place. 10th means 1 by 10. Or we can write these places. Writing up is best. Here you can understood well. So 5 tenths are 1 by 10. So place value of this 5 is, place value of this 5 is 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 of 5. 1 by 10 into 5 or 1 by 10 of 5. So this is the correct answer. So C is the correct option. Next question 12. What is the sum of 20.08, 20.008, 20.088 and 20.888? 888. 20.08, 20.008, 20.088, 20.888. So sum 8 is 24, 2 carry 10, 18, 20, 18, 26. 2 carry, 10, 10, 1 carry, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 to the 8, 81.064, 81.064, sorry, 81.064, yes, 064, D is the correct option. Next question, what is the sum of 50.5, 50.05, 50.005 and 5.0005? This is also addition question. 50.5, 50.05, 50.005, 5.0005. Sum, so 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5 is 15. So 155.2, 5, 5, 5, 5. So B is the correct option. 14, when 110.88 is divided by 11, the quotient is 110.88. 11 ones are 11. Bring down 0. 11 here 0 only. 11 zeros are 0. 0 only. Place this decimal point in quotient, then bring down this 8. 11 zeros are 0. Now bring down this 8. 11 here 8. 11 8s are 88. So what is the answer? 10.08. So this is the quotient, 10.08. B is the correct option. Next question, 15, the sum of 1.002, 1.02, 1.2 and 12.0 is sum 1.002, 1.02, 1.1, sorry 1.2 not 1, 12.0, 2, 2, 2, 5, 1. So what is the correct option? 15.222, 15.222. So A is the correct option. Question number 16, 5 centimeter is expressed in kilometers as 5 centimeters, 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 centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. So 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Expressed in kilometer. So we have to convert this into kilometer, bigger unit. So that's why 1 centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Keep this kilometer in whole number part, 0.00005. So what is the correct option? So C is the correct option. 17. On dividing 4.239 by 0.9, we get dash. After solving the problem, we can choose the best answer. 4.239 by 0.29. You have to shift the decimal to the right by 1 place here. Here also 42.239 by 0.29 means 9. Shifted point here. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 9 18. 18 means 9 is the digital root. So that's why this is divisible by 3 and is 9 also. I am cancelling 3 table. 3 1s are 3 4s are 1s are 3 3s are 3 3s are again 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 9. Again it will divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12. 2 remainder, 3 7 are 21. 3 1s are 3. So what is the correct option? Answer 4.71 is the correct answer. B is the correct option. 18. What is quotient of 101.37 divided by 20 up to 3 decimal places? To find 3 decimal places, we must to divide this number 101.37 divide with 20. 25 is a 100. 1. Place this decimal point in the quotient, then bring down this 3. 20 zeros are 0. 3 sorry 0. 20 zeros are 0. 13. Bring down 7. So how much here? 137. 26 are 120. 7 1. Bring down 1 0. 20 8 za 160. 0 1 0. 10. 10 10. Bring one more 0. Bring down one more 0 means 100. 25 is a 100. 0. Here asked to rounding up 3 decimal places, up to 3 decimal places. 1 2 3. To remove this 4th decimal place, we have to follow the rules, rounding up numbers rules. 5 or more than 5, add 1 to this required place. So we have to add 1. What is the correct answer? 5.069 is the correct answer. So B is the correct option. Next question 19. The sum of 19.9, 9.99, 0.999 and 0.009 is addition problem. 99.9, 9.99, 0.999, 0.009, 009, 99, 18, 19, 9 3 is 27, 28, 2 carry, 9 to the 18, 20, 2 carry, 2 plus 9, 11. So what is the answer? 110.898, 110.898. C is the correct option. Question number 20. The sum of 7.7, 7.207, 7.007 and 77.0077. Sum, we have to find addition. 7.7, 7.07, 7.007, 77.0077. So what is the answer? 7, 14, 1 carry, 8, 7, 4 7s are 28, 2 carry, 9, 98.7847, 98.7847. D is the correct option. Thank you children. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share to your near and dear. If you want to subscribe to my channel, immediately subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more and more videos.